I had a FlashQ Q20 camera flash system, so this is quite an old system, and when I took out from the box and tried to use it, it simply didn't want to work. And what was the reason is that this transmitter has a battery, a small battery like so, and let me show you how to change the battery. So this is the main goal of this video, that when your FlashQ Q20 doesn't work, and then this is definitely the reason. I have already changed the battery, and very important when you have a new battery, this is the CR2032 battery. So when you have a new battery, it has a small label like so there, and then it should be removed. Very important. So before installing that battery, it's very important that this should be removed, because the bottom part of this battery has a connector, and then this plastic is preventing it. So here is my knife. Let me show you how to do it. It's not rocket science at all, but very important that this label should be removed like so. And then you install the battery, of course the plus sign on the top. Let me show you why it is important. So this has a connector, a small spring there, and then on the side there is also another connector, so that's the way it works. So when this is my new battery, what I use is just simply slide it on the back part. This is the back part where the buttons are. When you have the back parts there, you slide it there, and then the front part just simply click into place. And then you can install it like so back. Just push it that direction to the front direction, and it should work completely fine. Just to make sure if the battery is operated, just this is the turn on button, just hold it pressed for 3 seconds and you can see, and it's operational. And it may happen that if you didn't use or haven't used your flash system for a while, you may need to resync together. So this is the transmitter and this is the flash. So the way it should be done, just press 2 buttons together, and you see this blue light starts blinking. This is in the pairing mode. So this is, and then on the flash, what you do is you turn it on, and then you press this button for 3 seconds. You see, and this is the pairing mode. So when the pairing is done, the the flash goes back to the normal mode. And the way you can test if this flash is okay, it works fine. First, you have to quit the pairing mode on the transmitter, press any button, just single, and then just turn it on. Here you go, now it is turned on. It doesn't keep, it's just flashing for a split second, and then it doesn't work. And then this is the other button, which is to trigger a test flash. Oh. Switch it on again. Okay, sorry, I just switched off. Okay, let's do the test flash. That it's operational, because you can see I press these buttons and it changes the flash level, and then just give a test flash. I press this button for 3 seconds. Here you go. So this is the way you can, again, just pair with double. This should be done only once. Officially, it is also possible to switch it off. I mean, when you switch on the flash with this button, and then if you just press for 3 seconds, it is switched off. Now I'm switch it on again. When I switched on, so it now operational, and the way you can test it, just press the buttons, and here you go, the transmitter and the flash works perfectly fine. Another tricky thing is that when you have your camera, for example, in this case, this is a Sony camera, it is very important, this is the back side. So when you slide into the hot shoe, you slide it that direction. That is, the buttons should face backwards. So when the camera is operational, just simply, of course, flash is enabled there, but remember that this camera will not recognize that there is a flash included. So, because, but when you take a picture, here you go, it works completely fine. It flashes like so. Actually, that is it. That's the. Of course, it should work in a regular way either. So it has a nice, and this should work like so too. Yeah, it doesn't matter where you are off camera. The flash can be put off flash, and that's the way how it works. So friends, that was very important. This is the way all the instructions are described in this booklet, but definitely it has not a single word how to replace the battery in the transmitter. So that's why I think this video is a kind of reminder and important that the transmitter has a battery and it should be replaced when the system doesn't work as it expected.